Hello, how are you doing? My name is Terry and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you real proof inside of my Clickfunnels account. That Clickfunnels allow me to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online with Clickfunnels, I can show you step by step how I'm able to make money with Clickfunnels. I'm using a done for you business. It allows me to make money online with ClickFunnels. As you can see, my lifetime earnings with ClickFunnels is over $7,000 US, which is a $7,813 US 57 cents. Okay? And my pending amount is $240 US 40 cents. And my total payout is $7,573 17 cents paid straight to my PayPal account. Okay, so if you're interested in making money with ClickFunnels, I'm going to show you the system that allow me to earn money with ClickFunnels. And this is the system. It's a step-by-step training that you can follow. It's a step-by-step system, training system that you can follow. It will allow you to earn money with ClickFunnels. Okay, so what you need to do, click the link in the description and get instant access to this training. This is the training I'm using to make money with ClickFunnels. As you can see, when you land on the page where it said how to make money, how to make the money, you're going to watch this video. And where it said 100 user your dream car, you're going to watch this video. ClickFunnels doesn't allow you only to make money. ClickFunnels also allow you to get a dream car. So I need you to watch these two videos so you can understand exactly what ClickFunnels is and how you can use the system to make money with ClickFunnels. When you complete these two videos, you're going to set up your business. So what you need to do is go to step 1, complete step 1. Remember, watch the video. Step 1, complete step 1. Step 2, step 3, but remember to watch all of these videos and complete all of the steps then. And if you complete all of these steps, just like how you see laid out for you, I guarantee you can able to make money with ClickFunnels if you're interested in making money with ClickFunnels. So this is a training. Yeah, this is a step-by-step training system I'm using. It allows me to make money with ClickFunnels. And as you can see, this is my ClickFunnels account and I'm going to refresh the page. And with ClickFunnels, I'm able to earn over $7,000 US just with ClickFunnels. So if you're interested in making money with ClickFunnels, you need to get started with this training that I'm using, this step-by-step system that I'm using. It allows me to earn money with ClickFunnels. Okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel because I always do video like this how to go about making money online from home. And remember to click the bell icon. That's anytime I upload any video, you can be notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. Okay? Have a nice day.